Every team works in 3 buildings, one for conversation, one for code, and a side door for AI agents. Jack Dorsey wants to knock down the walls. Block has launched Buzz, an open-source workspace combining chat, code, workflows, and agents. Its central idea is identity. Humans and agents get keys and cryptographically signed actions. Agents search discussions, open a repository, submit a patch, and leave an audit trail behind. Companies glue these jobs together. What Buzz bets that one signed event system can become the floor beneath all of them. The bold move is giving every tool the same memory. Organizations can host their own relay and keep their data, but it is not a peer-to-peer network today. Each deployment still has a central relay. Self-hosting hands you the backups, security, and upgrades. Buzz is early. Mobile and approval workflows remain incomplete. Slack and GitHub already own years of habit. Replacing both moves more than software. It means moving memory, trust, and routine. So the real test is not whether agents can enter the room. It is whether teams want the whole room rebuilt around them.